Hi, my name's Nathan Day. I'm Rockshore's Business Development Director. I'm here today representing Nats, who have participated along with ourselves in the swimsuit project. I'm here today to talk about how the development of a swim network can accelerate a-cdm deployment. We find that a large proportion of the effort needed to implement Airport CDM comes from technology, and specifically the integration of legacy systems at the airport into Airport CDM platforms. We often find when implementing CDM we can be integrating into 6+ legacy systems in and around the airport. All these interfaces of course deal with flight information in a different way, particularly when you cross the ANSP and airport domains. These interfaces forge what we call a legacy anchor, which limits the progress of a particular a-cdm implementation. So that's a reality we have to deal with today, but how could things be different should a swim network exist? Well, if swim were here today, the flow of flight objects across the swim network would remove the need for multiple bespoke technical interfaces on a per airport basis. This would free up valuable resources to focus on what really matters with Airport CDM, which is the people and the procedures. Implementations can be de-risked because there is this focus on people and procedures, but importantly because the technical landscape has been simplified. Individual projects can therefore have a greater probability of success and shorter implementation timescales. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the network benefits. If we've got this increased speed at which CDM can be deployed and also the de-risking of the project, then we can expect to see the rate of adoption across the network also increase. Swim is some way off, and so it's not going to help with today's a-cdm implementations. But as we move across the graph there, we can begin to get up to a number of airports around the 42 mark, and if we get there, Eurocontrol themselves estimate a reduction of delay of somewhere between 18 and 23%. The availability of a swim network will enable us to get to that goal quicker. Okay, thanks for listening. If you need any more information on Airport CDM or our involvement in the swimsuit project, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me.